Production is a core piece of the Deacom ERP. Some of the activities that you can do as part of the production process are things such as entering jobs, job reporting, scheduling those jobs within the system, issuing and closing. So issuing of materials in and finishing through our close process. We also have built into the core ERP maintenance, repair, and operations, which allows you to do your preventive maintenance, track your downtime on all of your machinery. We can record specific payroll activities such as clock in, clock out, having that true cost of production from a labor perspective, allowing to also do quality checks, whether they're in process, if they're being done after production, and really just building into the software things such as scale integrations, shifts, job areas or shop areas, and managing some of our workers, whether they're trained on specific machines or if they need to be trained on those new activities.